the next era of transportation. Future of transportation is about to get a technology-driven robot. Future transport systems will certainly be connected, data-driven and highly automated. Transport today is mostly powered by fossil fuel. The reason for this is the ease of use and the existence of mature technologies harnessing this fuel source. Fossil fuels represent a concentrated, relatively compact source of energy. The drawbacks are that they are heavily polluting and rely on limited natural resources. There are many proposals to harness renewable form of energy, to use fossil fuel more efficiently, or to use human power, or some hybrid of these, to move people and things. So here in this video, we are here with future mode of transportation. Connected and autonomous vehicles. The world is preparing for an autonomous future. Driverless cars or connected and autonomous vehicles. The wider implication of connected and autonomous vehicles and other novel forms of transport are also firmly on the agenda, including smarter, greener cities and more efficient distribution of freight and consumer deliveries. One of the best examples we can take is Uber self-driving cars. Uber's initial fleet include 24 Fusions, which seems like a whole Armada bag when autonomous cars still felt like a science fiction. The cars themselves were packed with around 20 cameras, 7 lasers, a GPS, a technology that measures the distance reached by outgoing lasers, so car can see and interrupt the action around them. The delivery drone. The future of deliveries is here, and it's all about drones. Prime Air, a delivery system from Amazon designed to safely get packages to customers in 30 minutes or less using unmanned aerial vehicles, also called drone. Prime Air has great potential to enhance the service that they already provide to millions of customers by providing rapid parcel delivery that will also increase the overall safety. Many people will have the doubt whether it's a science fiction or is this real. It looks like science fiction, but it's real. One day seeing Prime Air vehicles will be as normal as seeing mail truck on the roads. Amazon Prime Air is a service that will deliver packages up to 5 pounds in 30 minutes or less using small drones. NASA proposed Air Traffic Control System or UTM will safely manage drone operation in the airspace above building and below crewed aircraft. Operation in suburban and urban areas. The flying taxi. A step up from the delivery drone is the 2-seater Volocopter 2X, an 18-rotor vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, powered by 9 high-capacity batteries that can be piloted in impermissible areas or fly autonomously. 290 kg Volocopter 2X has a maximum payload of 160 kg and a range of 27 km with a cruise speed of 70 km per hour. Maximum flight time is 27 minutes at a cruise speed of 50 km per hour. Safety features include multiple critical components such as propellers, motor, power source, electronics, flight control and displays, plus an emergency parachute, although the manufacturer claims that we will never require it. In the US, Uber and NASA are collaborating on flying taxi scheme called Uber Elevate, with demonstration planned for 2020 and a service launched by 2023. Hyperloop. Many people may not be knowing what this thing is. A Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger or freight transportation first used to describe an open-source web train design released by a joint team from Tesla and SpaceX. A Hyperloop is a sealed tube or a system of tubes through which a pod may travel, free of air resistance or friction, conveying people or objects at high speed while being very efficient. If you thought the concept of people traveling between cities or even across the nation in a matter of minutes was just a bit of Jetsons science fiction fantasy, then you are going wrong. Elon Musk's Hyperloop holds the promise of transporting people and goods as fast as an airline and more cheaply than a train, by accelerating pods suspended in a near vacuum. The theory is that travel at up to 760 miles per hour would be possible. Orbital ring. An orbital ring is a concept for a space elevator that consists of an artificial ring placed around the Earth that rotates at an angular rate that is faster than the rotation of the Earth. It is a giant formation of astro-engineering proportions. Rolling highway. It sounds a little weird, but it's not. In rail transportation, a rolling highway or rolling road is a form of combined transport involving the conveying of road trucks by rail, referred to as roller trains. The concept of is to form a piggy bank transportation. Intelligent transport system. It is the application of sensing, analyze, control and communications technologies to ground transportation in order to improve safety, mobility and efficiency. Intelligent transport system is having a significant effect on transportation in applications such as electronic toll collection, ramp meters, traffic light cameras, traffic signal coordination, transit signal priority, and travel information systems. Let's have some quick look on rest of the mode of transportation of the future. Dual mode vehicles is a vehicle that can run on conventional road surface or a dedicated track known as a guideway. Dual mode vehicles are commonly electrically powered and run in dual mode for powers too, using batteries for short distance and low speed and track-fed power for longer distance and higher speed. Dual mode vehicles were originally studied as a way to make electric cars suitable for inner city travel without the need for a separate engine. More recently, starting in the 1990s, a number of dual mode mass transit systems have appeared, most notably a number of rubber-tired trams and guide buses. Jetpack. A jetpack, rocket belt or rocket pack is a device usually worn on the back which uses jet of gas or in some cases liquid to propel the wearer through the air. The journey from here to there promises to be a fascinating one. So let's know your opinions too about this. So don't forget to comment down below.